Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna recreate Katrina Kaif's look from her movie Bharat. I hope you all will like it. I really like her sari look. She's looking extremely pretty in this pink sari, and this look is really easy to achieve with minimal products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Baker First Light Priming Filter. This is a sheer purple lotion in runny texture. The lavender tone in the primer helps to reduce redness and also adds a dewy finish. It gives a very smooth look to the skin. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade 2C3 Ferisco. Double Wear Foundation is a long-lasting foundation and gives a medium to high coverage. It also doesn't oxidize, it doesn't look cakey, and best for oily skin. If you have a dry skin, you should prep your skin before application. This foundation has a wide range of shades. তো কেউ যদি মনে করো কিছু পারচেস করবে এরকম ফাউন্ডেশন তো ইজিলি তোমরা নিজের শেড পেয়ে যাবে। The texture is not too runny, not too thin, very easy to blend. It contains SPF 10, তো এই একটা ফ্ল্যাশব্যাকের চান্স থেকেই যায়। I'm using my Studio Wear sponge to blend it. It's a very affordable sponge. তোমরা হাত দিয়ে করতে পারো বা কোনো ব্রাশ দিয়েও করতে পারো। Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To hide my dark circles, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It comes with a doe foot applicator that makes it easy to pick up and apply. Texture is very creamy and easy to blend. It doesn't crease and it doesn't highlight the fine lines, তো কোনো টেনশনই নেই, easily apply করতেই পারো। কনসিলার আমি জেনারেলি হাত দিয়ে ব্লেন্ড করি কারণ রেজাল্টটা খুব ভালো আসে প্লাস ইজি হয় ব্লেন্ড করা। Rimmel London Eyebrow Pencil. For my eyebrows I am using Rimmel London Eyebrow Pencil. এটা একটা ডার্ক ব্রাউন শেড আমি ইউজ করছি। To highlight my brow bones, I am using Fit Me Concealer again. Now coming to the eyes, I am using brown eyeshadow from Huda Beauty New Nude palette to match her eye makeup. I will apply this mostly in the crease area. Now I'm gonna take the darkest color and I'm gonna apply this mostly in the outer part of my eyelids. Plum Kajal. Now I'm gonna use this Plum Kajal to line my waterline. খুব ভালো করে একটা টাইট লাইন করব। Sephora brown eyeliner. For my lash line, I'm gonna use this brown eye pencil from Sephora. It comes with a smudger with which I will create the smudge and smoky look. Now I'm using the mascara from Rimmel London. I would recommend this product if you are looking for a drugstore mascara to lift your lashes, to give the lashes more volume without any eyelash curler. You can purchase this. I'm using the K Beauty contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus to contour my nose. The Body Shop Honey Bronze Highlighting Dome. For my cheeks, I'm using the Body Shop Honey Bronze Highlighting Dome in the shade Pink. It's a blush cum highlighter. The texture is very creamy and glides smoothly. I will definitely repurchase it. এটা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আমার শেষ হয়ে যাবে। My lipstick is from Color Bar. Name of the shade is Tutti Frutti. আমি জাস্ট একটু ড্যাব করে লাগাচ্ছি লিপস্টিকটা, খুব বেশি লাগাবো না। That's all. I got my bindi and sari on, and here is my final look. So this is the final look. I hope you all like it. If you do, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Till then, be safe, stay connected. Bye. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.